Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss some numerical on induction motor, that is the power stages of induction motor. So I am going to solve 5 numericals, 3 numericals in part 1 and 2 numerical in part 2. So this is the first numerical I am going to discuss on power stages. First of all, I want to discuss develop the power stage, that is the this is the power stage. Input to motor P1, stator losses, output of the stator or input to the rotor, rotor copper loss, output of the rotor PM, mechanical loss, output of motor P out. So this is the power stage of induction motor. Now determine the RCL. We have to find this. We have to find this. Okay. And efficiency at full load for a 20 horsepower induction motor, 3-phase induction motor from following data at full load, right? Full load slip is given. Slip is given 5%, that is 0.05. The stator iron and copper loss, stator losses, it is given 6.5% of input equal to 0.065 of P1. This is given 6.5 मतलब 0.065 of input to motor, that is P1, and friction in windage loss is given 2%. Friction in windage loss, that is a mechanical loss, is given, it is given 0.02, 2% of P out. So this is given. So if you solve it, this is given 20 HP. So P out is given 20 HP equal to 20, and if you want to convert HP into the watt, so we know 735.5 watt in 1 HP, so it is approximately, if you use the calculator, it is 14,710 watt, that is P out. If you know P out, if it is given, mechanical loss is given 0.02 of P out, so you will get PM. So what is the value of PM? PM equal to P out plus mechanical loss, right? P out is given 14,710 plus 0.02 of P out, 0.02 into 14,710. So in this way you can calculate the PM. If you use PM equal to, this is 0.02 into 14,710, it is 294. So 294 plus this. Okay, so I am getting calculator. If I use the calculator, I am getting 15,004.2 watt. This is P out we got. We got P out. Sorry, PM. We got PM. This plus this equal to PM. Now we know the formula PM. PM equal to, we know the formula 1 minus slip into P2. P2 मतलब rotor input. Rotor output PM equal to 1 minus S into P2. Okay, so this is known, slip is given, so you can calculate the P2. P2 मतलब we will get the P2, that is the P2 is nothing but rotor input. PM is given कितना है 15,004.2 0.2 upon 1 minus S. 1 minus S is given, slip is given 0.05. So based on that, we will get the P2, that is the rotor input. It is, if you use the calculator, I am getting 15,794. 15,794 watt. So I got P2. Now P2 minus PM is what? This minus this equal to, you will get the rotor copper loss. So rotor copper loss equal to what? Rotor copper loss equal to P2 minus, you can say, PM, or rotor copper loss equal to what? One more formula we have, slip S into P2, rotor input. We know this formula, S into rotor input. So by using this formula, we will get the rotor copper loss. So I'm using this formula, S equal to what? S equal to 0.05 into P2 is कितना है? P2 this 15,794. 15,794. So I'm getting 789.7. 789.7 watt. I'm getting it. That is the rotor copper loss. This is your first answer. Okay. Okay. Now we have given find the efficiency also. So what is the efficiency? If you want to find the efficiency equal to what? P out upon P1. P out is given. P out is given. What is a P out? Is this 14,710. We have to find P1 also. So first we will find the P1. What is P1? Now P1 equal to what? P1 equal to P2 मालूम है. This is given. So we can say P1 equal to P2 plus losses equal to P1 plus stator losses. P2 plus stator losses given कितना दिया है? Stator losses given 0.065 of P1 plus 0.065 of P1. This is given. P1 equal to P2 plus this. Clear? So you can get P1. So by using this formula, you will, if you solve this formula, equation number, let us say 1. So P1 plus this minus this. So P1 equal, ब्रैकेट में लेंगे 1 और ये इधर आएगा तो माइनस 0.065 P1 into equal to P2. And P2 we know. P2 equal to कितना है? P2 we calculated 15,794. This is known. Okay. So you can calculate P1. What is the value of P1? P1 equal to what? P1 equal to 15,794 divided by 0.935. 0.935. If you do it, we will get 16,891. 16,891 watt. We got P1. Once you know P1 and we know P out, we can find the efficiency. So what is the efficiency? We can calculate the efficiency of motor equal to P out upon P1. P out कितना है? P out is given 14,710 upon P1 is 16,891 into 100. So by using this formula, we can get the efficiency. So what is the efficiency we are getting? 87.08%. That is the answer. So we have two answer. एक ये और दूसरा आपका rotor copper loss. These are the two answer we got it. So if you know the power stages, अगर आपके power stage मालूम है तो this is known, this is given, you can find PM मालूम है, slip मालूम है, so we know the formula P2 and PM का slip के साथ formula है, इससे rotor copper loss मिल जाएगा, P2 मिल जाएगा, P2 मालूम है, ये मालूम है, you will get P1 and then P out upon P1 equal to efficiency. That is the technique we can follow. Okay, one more problem I am going to solve. Second problem I am solving, a 140 horsepower 140 horsepower means what? Input ki output. Always, whenever the power is given in horsepower, it is output. It is clear cut, it is a P out. 5 HP motor, it is P out. So P out is given. What is P out is 140 HP multiplied by 735.5 watt equal to, if you use the calculator, we will get P out equal to 102,970 watt. This is the P out we got in watts. 3300 volt, 50 hertz induction motor has synchronous speed. NS is given 500 RPM and slip is given 1.8%. Full load, at full load, okay. Power factor is given 0.85. Stator copper loss is given 2420, that is the stator losses, and stator iron loss is given 3500. So stator losses, total stator loss is equal to what? This plus this. Stator copper loss 2420 plus 3500. So you can get the stator losses is 20920 or this is 5. So 5920 watts, that is the stator losses. Okay, rotational losses, that is the mechanical losses. Friction and windage loss, rotational loss equal to, it is given 1200. Slip is given 1.8% equal to 0.018. It is given. Calculate rotor copper loss. Okay, we will do it. Anyway, we will use the power stage first, power cycle. This is P1, stator losses. You will get P2, that is the P2 is what? Stator output, yeah, you can say rotor input. Rotor copper loss. PM is what? Rotor output. इसमें mechanical losses is there. You will get P out. So if you want to from here, यहाँ से यहाँ आएंगे तो we will add these losses. और यहाँ से यहाँ जाएंगे तो we will subtract the losses, whatever there. Anyway, P out is known, mechanical losses is known. You can calculate PM. So what is PM? PM equal to what? P out plus mechanical losses. Okay, so mechanical losses, P out is given 102970 plus mechanical losses is given 1200 plus 1200. So we will get P out PM. So if you use the calculator, I am going to get this PM equal to 104170 watt. So we got this is the PM. Once we know PM, we know the PM equal to, we know the formula PM equal to 1 minus slip into P2. PM equal to 1 minus S into rotor input. So from here we can calculate the P2 rotor input. P2 equal to what? PM upon 1 minus S. So PM is known कितना है 104,170 divided by 1 minus 0.018. Slip is given. So by using the calculator, we can calculate PM is given this from here. Slip is given 1.8% means 0.018. So P2 you can calculate. P2 is what? P2 is what? Rotor input. So rotor input we will calculate. We use the calculator. I am getting 1060.79 watt. So we got P2. We got P2 equal to this. Now we have to calculate. First part is the A part. Now solution A. I am going to use the calculator. That is a part A. Rotor copper loss. What is a rotor copper loss? What is the formula? Slip into P2. This is the formula we have derived. Rotor copper loss S into P2. S कितना है? 0.018 into P2 is this 106079. So I am getting the answer rotor copper loss equal to what? 1909. 1909.4 watt. That is the first answer I am calculating. Part A. B. Line current. So we know line current निकालना है. So what is the power? P1 input to the stator or input to the motor equal to P1. P1 equal to what? Root 3. VL is given. IL is we have to find. Cos of phi is given. So you can calculate this, but before that we have to calculate P1. So P1 equal to what? Now P1 equal to what? Please here P1 is this. P1 equal to P2 plus this equal to this. So P1 equal to P2 plus stator losses. What is P2? P2 is this 106079 106079. This is P2 plus stator loss is given this plus this equal to 5920. So we will get 111999 watt. So we will get this answer, that is the P1. So P1 equal to root 3 VL IL cos phi. So IL equal to what? P1 कितना है P1? 111999 divided by root 3. VL is given 3300 volt. Always in case of three-phase system, given voltage will be the line voltage always. Okay, so it is 3300. It is given into power factor is given 0.85. So you can calculate IL. IL equal to what? 23.05 ampere. 23.05 ampere. And last part, that is a C part. we have to calculate the efficiency, full load efficiency, that is P out upon P1. P out कितना है देखो, this is P out 102970 upon P1 is equal to this 111999 into 100. If you multiply 100, you will get the percentage efficiency. So 102970, okay, upon this into 100, we will get 91.93 percentage. So that is the third answer, we got it. So in this way you can solve any problem related with the induction motor, but you must know this cycle, this stage, and these two formulas slip in terms of slip. We can do it. Okay, one more problem I am going to solve. Okay, so it is related with the power cycle, power stages. Again, I have given this problem. So I have given a power input to a 500 volt, 50 hertz, that is a VL is given. 50 cycle, 50 hertz, 6 pole, 3 phase induction motor running at 975 RPM is 40 kilowatt. So power input to a, so P1 is given. Please, it is clear cut. The power input to a, this motor is 40 kilowatt. Means P1 is given 40,000 watt is given. The stator losses are given for 1 kilowatt. If you draw the power stages, P1 stator losses is given 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. You will get P2. So loss है तो क्या होगा, P2 equal to what? P2 equal to what? Stator output और rotor input. क्या होगा? 40,000 minus this, 40,000 minus 1000, you will get 39,000 watt. Okay, and friction and windage loss. So this is, यहाँ और क्या होगा, rotor copper loss. You will get PM. PM मिल जाएगा आपको. PM में से rotor loss, सॉरी, मैकेनिकल लॉस क्या है, मैकेनिकल लॉस इज गिवन, कितना दिया, 2000, 2 किलोवाट. So you will get P out. Anyway, this is given. Calculate the slip. Okay, so we will do it later on. First we have given 6 pole, 50 hertz. You will get NS, or N is given, you can get the slip. First part. Okay, so P equal to F equal to what? P NS upon 120. Hence NS equal to what? 120 into F. F कितना दिया है? 50 upon number of poles given 6. So you will get 1000 RPM. याद रखना, ये कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये थ्योरी में है तो यू हैव टू डू इट. MCQ है, अगर 975 RPM दिया है, कौन सा, एक्चुअल स्पीड, सो पक्का आपका सिंक्रोनस स्पीड 1000 RPM है. जस्ट ट्राई टू कट, ट्राई टू सेव योर टाइम. ये सब कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट 1000 RPM NS. नाउ slip equal to what? Slip equal to NS minus N upon NS. So directly you have to do 1000 minus 975 upon 1000. So try to 25 upon 1000 is 0.025. In this way you can do your slip. Okay, the next one is we have to do it, that is a slip we have calculated. Next part, That is the rotor copper loss. Now you know P2. Rotor copper loss is what? That is the first answer we got. Rotor copper loss, this is the second problem, second part, equal to what? S into P2. S we know 0.025 into P2 we have calculated from here 39,000. Okay, so from here we can get the rotor copper loss. What is the rotor copper loss? I'm going to use the calculator. We will get the rotor copper loss is 975 watt. This is the second answer we got, 975 watt. That is the rotor copper loss. Third part we have to calculate the brake horsepower. That is the output. So first of all we know P2. Okay, so we can calculate PM. What is the PM? PM इक्वल टू क्या होगा? P2 माइनस दिस. P2 कितना है? 39,000 minus this rotor copper loss 975. So you will get 38,025 watt. 38,025 watt. You will get the PM. So 39,000 minus 975. Okay, you will get the 38,025 watt. That is the PM. Okay, so we got PM also. Now P out. P out equal to what? Just here. P out equal to what? PM plus this. PM minus this. So PM कितना है? 38,025 minus mechanical loss is given 2,000. So you will get 36,025 watt. This is the P out. And I have given calculate the P out in horsepower. So P out in HP horsepower equal to this 36,025. This answer divided by 735.5. Okay, so you can get in horsepower. I'm going to use the calculator. I'm getting 48.95. horsepower. Actually, प्लीज याद रखना, कुछ लोग यहाँ 735.5 लेते हैं, कुछ लोग 735 लेते हैं, कुछ लोग 740 लेते हैं. Clear? So this answer will vary, maybe 48 horsepower, maybe 50 horsepower, whatever there. Okay, so it is not given, so it will vary anyway. And last part we have given, find the efficiency. Efficiency is equal to P out upon P1. P out is known. What is P out? 36,025. 36,025 P out upon P1. P in क्या है? What is the P in? This 40,000 into 100. So in this way you can calculate the efficiency. What is the efficiency? 90.06%. That is the answer. That is the efficiency. We got it. Okay, so in this way you can solve the problem related with the power stages. One more part I am developing, that is part 2. Okay, so from there you will get the answer. I am rubbing it. Thank you very much for listening me, and I request you please subscribe the channel. Whenever I will upload my videos, you will get the notification, and also request please share this video to your friends. Thank you.